Welcome this video. A slope front yard often unique landscape opportunity to create visual appearing and functional design throughout challenge. The slope can enhance your popular curb appear and value with the right combination of plants, retain and hardscape functional. We explored, create idea and stop for landscape, a slope, front yard affecting. Let's break down how you can turn a slope even into a streamed living space, outdoor space that enhance your home aesthetic. Understanding the slope and plan before you are being landscape static. The slope create to terminate the best layout. Slope can be great to stop emerging effect water growing. Plant choose the stick posting a step slope request more controlling well one provide more fixable with plants and design to plan start by slip your yard not with the slope fact elements and purple line. Consider sunlight explode and salt which will affect plant select test salt for and HP balance slope salt often need to stop growing due to round water run out. Soap, flower bed and sap. Flower bed and sap and add textile color and dimming to the soap yard when around flower bed on a soft think about plan with tile plants at the top and short one of the neat bed, incorporating part away and stop. Part away and stop make your shop yard functional and a town stone or collecting stop be built into the slope often during and attractive a way to negotiate natural stone plan add chaptering and are more affordable than casting natural stone sap for a rustic look. Long fine stone can be bring into the slope, allow plant to growing around them for a soft natural effect. Stone step to during and slip retreat make theme for slope. Wood step affect your perfect a soft look. Wood a time step can blend in the natural landscape while wood a lost then stone its add warmth and complement rustic design. Part away grown in built framed easy to main interest and provide good line and part with metal and edge can be keep growing in place open stop surface add water functional bring movement and tranquil to sub a slope yard air waterfall make stop idea for quick fountain water feature and natural stream waterfall on stream a waterfall can roll down and the slope create a focal point and place full sound surrounding the effect away river rock and lush plant for natural look stream edge appear on slope when air away down to pot bring pitchless water fade. This design allows the pitch at the bottom water back to the top. It's low interest and soft for home with young child. Light and embrace. Use natural plots in your pots. Yard make main interest. Us then advertise to the loss and convenient natural plants request lost water feature benefit both your yard and low soft wildflower. Natural wildflowers such as black eyes are camouflaged and bring to with minimalized upkeep. Low main entrance along on the slope